Page number 3, lesson number 1 in the market. Page number 3. Everyone, please write down today's date and day. I will share the screen with you. Everyone can see the screen. Six dot 10.21. Which month is going on? October month is going on. October. Please write down the date and the day. I'm giving you a few more minutes. Do it fast. Be a smart kid. Comprehension. Question number A, answer these questions. First question. What do the vendors sell? Cesar will answer me. Please unmute yourself, dear. Unmute. हेलो बेटा जल्दी बोलो. हेलो. Cesar, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What do the vendors sell? Vendors sell. Tell me fast. क्या sell कर रहे थे vendors? Tell me. आपको मेरा screen दिखा दे रहा? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So sorry. Vendors means there were so many vendors over there who were selling many things. So what is written in your book?
Vendors
Hmm.
vegetables or fruits.
Good. Flowers, bangles, and fruits. Good. So now you will be writing flower, bangles, and fruits. You can write the vendor I know in one line it will be a little more difficult to come. So you can use this area. You can use this area which has the space. Okay, so you can use this area. जो question number 1 or 2 के बीच में area, you can write over there also. If you want, I can write in the white box also. White blackboard, sorry. Now, The next question. Kiansh, what does the little girl do? What does the little girl do? Kiansh, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, cry.
Yes, she was crying. Okay. So what you will write? The little girl cries because she got scared. All are able to see, right? मैं ये right now I will remove. Aradhya Sharma. Aradhya Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
You are supposed to say yes or good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good. What does the bangle seller says he will give the little girl? The bangle seller, when she was crying, to make her calm down, what he has said, that what the bangle seller will give. क्या बोला था bangle seller ने? Tell me.
No cry.
हाँ, yeah, don't cry ये बोला था, but he said while she was जब अंजलि रो रही थी, when Anjali was crying, तो उसको चुप कराने के लिए बैंगल सेलर ने क्या बोला कि रो मत, मैं आपको ये दे दूंगा. क्या बोला था, क्या दूंगा वो?
Bangles.
Bangles. उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन भी दे रखा है. So over here you will write, he says he will give her bright blue bangles. Shreya, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Shreya, are you able to see the screen? आपको screen पूरा दिख रहा है?
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Who is the policeman?
Policeman.
Who is the policeman? Policeman जो आया था वो कौन था वहाँ पे?
Policeman कौन था? Policeman. नहीं पता.
I don't know. I have taught you many times that if you don't know, say it in this way. Please try to speak small sentences. Parth, please unmute yourself. Good morning. Who is the policeman? Tell me. What happened? बच्चों ने आज रीडिंग नहीं की है चैप्टर की. Why you have not done? Tell me. I'm not able to. You are not at all audible, dear. Okay, as the time is running, I will. He is Anjali. Anjali's brother. Please write down. I hope you can see the screen. Only 6 minutes are left, so please do quickly. And in the next class, we'll be doing the next page. Now, question number B, mark these sentences as true, T, or not true as NT. Edan, please unmute yourself.
Good
Edan,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Now, the sentence, good morning. Good
मैम
morning.
मैंने चैप्टर रीड नहीं किया था
क्यों?
मैं उस दिन छुट्टी पर था.
तो उसके बाद क्यों नहीं किया? शेड्यूल देख के रीड करना चाहिए ना डियर. फिर ऐसे तो आपको याद ही नहीं रहेगा आपने क्या रीड किया है क्या नहीं किया है.
मैम अब कर लूंगा.
Okay. But I like his honesty. He being very honest. Anav Joshi, please you unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. The fruit seller sells apple and oranges. This sentence is true or not true. You have to tell me as कैसे true है. Go and read out the sentence which is written in the book. Apple is not mentioned. The apple is not mentioned. An apple is not mentioned. Grapes are mentioned. अरे मेरा भी सुन लिया करो बच्चे. Listen to me what I am saying. It's NT, not true. Mohi and Nishvi, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Mohi will answer me. The little girl wants her brother. The sentence was true as according to the chapter.
Ma'am, true.
Very good. Don't help Nishvi. Good. Kavishri, please unmute yourself. Kavishri.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kavishri. Now the third question. The fruit seller thinks the policeman can find Anjali's brother. इसका मतलब मैं समझा देती हूँ. फ्रूट सेलर जो है उसने जैसे पुलिसमैन को देखा उसने सोचा कि पुलिसमैन क्या करेगा अंजलि के ब्रदर को ढूंढ लेगा. ठीक है. So this sentence is true or false? Kiyansh, I have asked you the question. Put your hands down. This sentence is true or false? Tell me. जो फ्रूट सेलर ने सोचा वो ट्रू था फॉल्स था? What's going on? Sanya will tell me this sentence was true or false. Sanya, please unmute yourself. My voice is not coming. Okay, coming. Sanya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This third sentence is true or false? I mean, say true or not true?
question concerning.
The fruit seller thinks the policeman can find Anjali's brother. जो फ्रूट सेलर ने सोचा कि पुलिसमैन को देख के कि वो अंजलि के ब्रदर को ढूंढ लेगा, क्या उसने ऐसा सोचा था? बुक में ऐसा लिखा था या नहीं? True. The answer is true. So you will write T. Now, question number C, think and answer. How does Anjali feel when she is lost in the market? Explain in a few words. We will only write in one word answer. So Tanmay will answer me this question. Tanmay,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. You just have to tell me that how Anjali was feeling.
She
She.
is very happy.
Why she is happy? She is lost in the market. वो खो गई थी मार्केट में. So why she will be happy? वो खुश थोड़ी ना होगी.
She
will
is
be.
very crying.
हाँ, she is not crying. She was sad. So you will write. Please write down.